standard 8 students. In continuation of friendly microbes, today we will discuss about various medicinal use of microbes. First of all, we will discuss about antibiotics, and after that we will discuss about vaccine. You have heard name of antibiotics. You know very well. Anti means against. Biotics means microbes. Those medicines which are used against the disease causing effect of microbe is called antibiotics. Same definition is also given here. Anti means against, biotics means microbes, disease causing microbe. Look at here, a medicine which stops the growth of or kills the disease causing microbes are called antibiotics. Antibiotics, that means it acts against the diseased action of microbe. It acts against the disease causing action of microbes. Now, different microbes, different antibiotics are discovered, but first antibiotics which was discovered by Alexander Fleming. What is the name of first antibiotics? First antibiotics was penicillin. And these antibiotics are formed from, its name is given by the name of a fungi from which it is extracted, and its name is penicillium. How he has discovered it? Actually, he tried to cultivate first time in laboratory various disease causing bacteria. Suddenly he found the spores of a little green fungus in one of his culture plates. He noticed that the presence of tiny green fungus stopped the growth of disease causing bacteria. In fact, it also killed many of the disease causing bacteria. From the fungus called penicillium, the antibiotics penicillin was made. That's why the first antibiotics is named from the name of penicillium, penicillin. After that, till today, various antibiotics are discovered. Some name I am giving here. First one, penicillin. Second one, streptomycin. Third one, erythromycin, etc. You must learn these names of antibiotics which are commonly used. Tetracycline is also commonly used. These antibiotics are commonly used in our society. Penicillin, streptomycin, erythromycin, tetramycin. But penicillin is right now banned. It is another thing. But these medicines are broadly used right now. These medicines act only and only against the action of bacteria, not for the virus. It acts only and only acts against bacterial disease only. Bacterial disease only, not against virus disease. Why not against virus disease? These antibiotics are used because when you will see why it is not against virus, not against virus, why? Actually, when you will see its chemical composition, body of chemical composition of virus and bacteria, both are quietly different. Chemical composition of body of both, of body of both are quite different, are quite different. That means in first case, that means in bacteria, cell wall is present in its cell. Cell wall consists of cellulose, whereas in case of virus, there is no cell wall. Its body consists only of lipid and protein, not of cell wall. Second thing, its metabolic reaction, its biotic activities in its body are also different. Biotic activities or metabolic activities are also quietly different. Metabolic activities of both in their body are different. That's why it is not same medicine not work in case of bacteria and virus both. In next class, I will discuss about vaccine.